Everybody, it's Tangles. I'm back and I'm here to show you this Flexirod set. Now I feel like I've already perfected my Flexirod set. I put a tutorial for it. This is what it usually comes out like, but because my hair is still so small, sometimes you want a little volume. So I'm going to use this better length hair, and when I finish, these were the results. So again, this is better length hair clips I'm using straight out of the package. This is what it looks like. It's a 3C4A curl pattern. It's also 16 inches long. So I'm going to first wash it before installing it. So I'm going to shampoo it like you would your natural hair, rub that shampoo through, and then after you finish shampooing, you want to condition the hair. So once I rinse the shampoo out, I condition the hair so that I'm able to detangle the hair through. Now, as far as shedding, which is usually the problem with clip-ins, this is all the hair that came out of that whole bundle I was holding up. So not a lot of hair came out. Now to begin styling, I've separated the hair, and so I'm going to take Flexirods to style my hair. So I use a moisturizer, just like a creamy moisturizer. To set the style, it doesn't need to be like a gel or anything. So apply it to the hair and then separate a section that you're going to begin rodding. Brush the product through that section and begin rodding. I'm going to show you but not focus too much on it because, like I said, I have a video for my Flexirod, so I'm doing it exactly how I would do it on my own hair. Once you get to the top at the clip, it gets a little more difficult, but try and wrap it around as tight as you can and bend the Flexirod in a way that it holds it still. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but this is how it will be. Let these dry. When you're ready, you're going to Flexirod set your own hair. So I've already set mine. I'm putting oil on my hair for the takedown. I'm going to show you what the spiral curls should come out like. And if they do not come out right and they're a little funky, that means you probably need to let it dry a little longer. So let the first one be your little test. If it's good, you're going to continue. So take it all out, and then you're going to also take all of the Flexirods out of the clip ends. And the spiral curls should be the exact same on the clip ends and also on your hair. They should be pretty identical. This is how you know that the hair will blend well. Now I'm separating my own hair to give it fullness and to make it less Shirley Temple looking. And once I finish separating my own hair, I'm going to follow that up and do the same exact thing to the clip ends. As far as setting and separating the clip ends, there was no tangles during this whole process, not even during the wash. It was super easy to detangle. It was just like doing my own hair on a good wash day. So very good quality of hair. I'm going to begin installing it, which is the easiest part. So I'm taking this one with just 3 clips on them and putting it at the nape of my hair. You're just going to place it on your hair, and you can section your hair. I did, but I didn't show it. And then you're going to clamp it onto your hair, and that's literally it. It blends so well. One thing I also realized as I was installing is I could have just braided my hair away or tucked it away because my hair is so short compared to this hair that it's completely covered by it. So whatever you want to do, just keep clipping on. And on the front parts, you only need the ones with the 2 clips on it because the small sections will help you get the sides and the bang sections of your hair. So place them however you want, whatever makes it look most natural. And then I have this last one that I'm placing upside down to help it fall backwards and cover any holes. Before I give y'all the finished look, I'm going to pick it out to give it more shape because right now it's just kind of randomly falling all over itself. So pick it out until you get it to how you like and the volume that you like. Now is the time to like the video down below. If you love this look, how did I do with this Flexirod set and these clip-ins? This was the before. Remember, no volume. I was like, how do I get the volume? And tried it with clip-ins, which helped, and it looks so natural. The hair quality is very good. I even had hair left over when I finished. So one bundle was more than enough for this style. Again, like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll have more videos and tutorials coming soon.